Hello. Before we get started for our meditation session today, simply get as comfortable as you can. Tell yourself that it will be an enjoyable 5 minutes. Thank the universe for giving you the time to enjoy a 5-minute meditation. Try to quiet your mind. Take a few deep breaths before starting. I will guide us through a mindfulness meditation for the next 5 minutes. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. As we sit here, in communion with nature and each other, you'll notice thoughts racing across your brain. Acknowledge them, but try not to fixate on them. Accept all the noises you hear around you. They aren't distractions, they're simply the natural rhythm of your current space. All you need to do right at this very moment is sit and breathe. Your mind is probably jumping from thought to thought. This is normal. You belong. Don't worry about your racing mind, just focus on your body's breathing going in and out. Observe the energy of your breath. When a thought pops into your head, release it and focus on your breathing. Follow the breath in and follow the breath out. Let go of expectations about how this meditation would go and just keep bringing your focus back to your breath. Feel your diaphragm rise and retreat with each passing breath. Congratulations on completing a mindfulness meditation. You are now one baby step closer to connecting with the eternal and getting to know yourself better. Good work. Take 3 more deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you for practicing this meditation.